to meet my friend for dinner. This is what I'm wearing. Very chill. I'm wearing this long coat because it's pretty cold outside. This black bodysuit, black sweatpants, my platform Converses, and my Balenciaga red bag. I feel like it adds like a cute pop of color.
You know what? I think we're gonna take a little drive.
Alright, hey guys, so I made it to dinner. I'm with Sheena. We are about to eat so good. We're at a spot called Joey's Uptown. It is like very, very good. Good. Hey guys, so I made it back home. Like I was saying, dinner was so good. The food was amazing, and then it's always a good time with my friend Sheena. We just caught up, had some girl talk before we went home for the holidays. Guys, I'm about to go get my lashes done. Wanted to show you guys my outfit before I leave. I'm wearing this jacket, white top, gray sweatpants, easy slides, and Balenciaga. All right, hey guys, so I just got my lashes done. They look so full. I like them a lot. But guys, it's hot first off. Guys, I do not recommend Amazing Lash Studio, the Galleria location. I mean, any location. I've been to 2 so far, and I don't recommend any of them. Horrible, like, customer service. It's nothing against the lash techs. Like, you can tell they're trying to do the best they can do, but like, I do not recommend. That's why anytime someone asks like, oh, where do you get your lashes done, I make sure to tell them like, I don't recommend Amazing Lash. I'm just going here because I have the membership, but I need to cancel them, to be honest, right away. But every time I think of canceling them, they draft out another like membership fee. I really like this one lady. Her name is Anne, and she does an amazing job. She's so sweet. She's very consistent, like, and that's what I like about her, because any other tech in there, it's kind of like there are some that just rush through and like they use different glues, like my lashes will start falling out. So I make an appointment, and then I get there and this guy is like, okay, we'll be in this room. I'm like, wait, I thought I scheduled with Anne. So I went up to the desk, and I was like, when I called, I was sure to specify that I wanted to book with Anne and Anne only. Like, and then they're like, oh, our mistake. We'll make note of that. You can come back tomorrow if you want. What? Like, what? So I'm like, whatever, because the guy that was going to do my lashes, like, he's done them before, and it was very thorough, like Anne, like, he explained everything. So I'm like, okay, I'll go with him. Like, and it's just the point. Like, Anne's my favorite one to do my lashes. Like, I made sure to schedule with her, and then y'all are gonna do something like that. And it's literally like every time it's always something. Like, it's literally always something. Always. And this location, the Galleria location, is better than the Shepherd Street location, because I went there and I almost had to like fight the lady doing my lashes. Just kidding, I'm not fighting. She had the worst attitude. I'm like, yeah, if you're gonna have an attitude, don't touch my eyes. Like, it was a whole thing. And she was like, I only have time to do one of your eyes. What? Like, excuse me? Oh, guys, I just have not had a good experience with Amazing Lash, and every time I try to like cancel, they're like, oh, you have to go in person to fill out documents. Yo, just cancel my stuff. Like, I don't like them. And then like I had like 2 credits because I haven't been getting my lashes done. So they take out like $60 a month. And I was like, okay, I just want to use my credits because they're like, the total is $150. So I'm like, I just want to use my 2 credits. That's $120 and I'll pay the extra $30. They're like, oh, you can't use a credit on a volume upgrade. Yo, if y'all took the money from my account, I should be able to use it in whatever way I want to apply to my services. What are y'all talking about? It's just every time I get so frustrated here. So if you are in the Houston area, I don't know if these things are all over. Like, I didn't have them back home in North Carolina, but I found out about them since moving here. If you're in the Houston area, I do not recommend Amazing Lashes. Like, horrible customer service, not consistent at all. But if you're going, I do recommend Jeremy, which is the guy that just did my lashes, and Anne. Those are the only 2 that I recommend. Like, that's that. I just had to get on here and rant, but it's all good. I'm glad I got my lashes done. And yeah, so I am about to go to the pet store to get Dior some food, because I keep forgetting, like, I leave tomorrow, so there's a lot of stuff I need to get done. So I am gonna run into the pet store, grab some food for him. Oh, this is cute. Oh. Before I completely mess up your section. Look at this. Okay. Hey guys, so I made it home. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the pet store. Excuse me. Set this bag open. But I got him some food. This is the brand that he likes. Okay, so I got him a toy, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it together. I got him this for Christmas. I was gonna wrap it, but I'm like, it's on! Look, you got that bag on your head, little boy. Eee. Okay, let's look. What the? Dior, I'm sorry. I don't know what that thing is. Dior, do you like it? Oh, he just flipped it. Honestly, I'm not impressed. I really thought that thing was gonna be flying, going fast, but it's just chilling. Oh. As long as he likes it. And that thing said it was like quiet. That thing is loud. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little vlog. This is probably gonna be my last vlog for Vlogmas because I fly back home tomorrow. And I don't know, I may bring my camera with me, but that means I would have to bring my laptop, and I don't have to worry about trying to edit and upload while I'm at home. Like, I just want to, you know, enjoy my time with my family. So this is the end of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for being a part of Vlogmas this year. I really enjoyed it. Moving forward, I'll probably do like weekly vlogs and then, you know, content throughout the week. But yeah, I've really enjoyed Vlogmas. It has been a lot of work, but honestly, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas as well. Stay tuned for more content coming. Be sure to follow me on my socials. And I will talk to you guys very soon. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your friends and your family. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye, guys.